and the car caught fire, and the dashboard is all burnt down the side, and we've left that the same as it was, just to keep a bit of the originality with it. Hi, I'm Andrew Jordan, and we are here at a very wet and a very cold Goodwood Circuit. And one car which doesn't really necessarily fit in with the other cars we've got here today is the TVR Tuscan. This is the actual car that my dad raced in 1999 and 2000, and we've rebuilt it exactly as it was. And it came about in quite a funny way, really. He over Christmas was watching some old videos, and it was the season review, and he messaged me and said he'd be keen to buy the car back. And I love cars and I love buying cars, so I'd said, yeah, let's go for it. So we did a deal and got the car back and did a full rebuild on it. Tried to keep as much of it as we could as it was in period. So this is the actual steering wheel that he had in period. We've just dyed it and got it looking a bit fresher than it was. The switch stickers in there on the dashboard are all as they were. They're the exact same stickers, we haven't changed that. And quite funnily, the TVR Tuscan Challenge reliability sometimes was a little bit of an issue, and at Alton Park in, I don't know the year, if it was 99 or 2000, he was leading, and the car caught fire, and the dashboard is all burnt down the side, and we've left that the same as it was, just to keep a bit of the originality with it. I've actually got a picture of me, probably 10 years old, sat with my brother on my lap, who was just under one, in the driving seat there. We've done little things like this. If you look, we've got the 76 Borsa. He actually ran that in period, and weirdly, so initially when we were building it, I got some orange ping pong balls and we fastened one on and we got the sticker, but this is one of the original ones. That's a friend of a friend actually had some old stock randomly. They're about 450 horsepower V8, AJP V8, so they sound absolutely fantastic. They really scream. And a lot of good people race these. There was Jamie Campbell-Walter, Bobby Verdon Rowe, Ian McKellar, Dad, Michael Caine. This was the one-mate championship of the day. So I've never driven it. Dad's had, he went to do a shakedown at Silverstone in it in the flooding rain, and said it felt just as quick as it used to, and it was just as wet as it used to be. And so I've not driven it yet. We're going to see what the weather's like here today, and hopefully I'll have a few laps in it. We don't really know what we're going to do with it, but it's just a cool thing to have, some family history, and as I say, I love cars, so why not have another one?